hand?
Not so great.
Yeah.
Cloudy skies across the region, and we are tracking rain on forewarned Doppler. We're seeing showers right now over Dunkirk down into Jamestown. Cloudy skies, though, and dry in Lockport. The Niagara Frontier, you've been mainly dry all day, and you're going to be the driest area, especially for those of you in Niagara and Orleans counties. Now, as we take you to forewarned Doppler, you can see the activity around Dunkirk, Jamestown, and Bradford. Light rain being reported in those areas. Some showers just beginning to overspread Gowanda at this hour. This rain will continue to advance towards the east-northeast throughout the afternoon. And again, the further north you head, the closer you are to Lake Ontario, the drier you're going to be during the daytime hours. But you can see lots of activity over Lake Erie is making its way and will overspread western New York throughout these afternoon hours. We'll continue to become increasingly unsettled as we work our way throughout the day. Cloudy skies if you're not seeing rain. Temperatures, though, not too bad out there. Here's a snapshot at 1 o'clock on Super Microcast. Notice how it is still keeping that rain mainly to the south of Buffalo. Working our way towards 4 and 5 o'clock. We start to see that rain meander a little bit further to the north around Cheektowaga and Williamsville, out towards Batavia. Albion, though, still mainly dry. The Falls still most likely dry at that point. During the evening hours and the early overnight hours, rain continues to overspread the area. It becomes a little bit heavier. Some thunderstorms are possible during the evening around the state line. Here we are at 8 o'clock. Notice some heavy downpours around Arcade, Olean, and out into Wellsville. Buffalo at that point also seeing rain. We continue to see rain, potentially heavy downpours overnight tonight and early tomorrow morning. This could lead to ponding of water on roadways, so you want to be cautious of that if you're driving late tonight, and also for that commute tomorrow morning. We'll have rain during the morning hours that will taper off around the midday hours. Notice how we're dry at 3 o'clock with the potential for some limited sunshine late tomorrow. Right now, we're at 63 in the Falls and Batavia, 65 in Buffalo, 64 for those of you in Dunkirk, 60 in Wellsville and Bradford, 59 in Olean, and 61 for those of you in Jamestown. A high temperature today of about 67, 68 degrees. And again, showers south of Buffalo will slowly spread north throughout the afternoon hours, mainly arriving into the Niagara Frontier by the later afternoon. Typically our high 64 degrees, Lake Erie water at 50, Lake Ontario at 48. For tonight, we'll have rain at times. Some heavy downpours are possible, especially overnight. Some scattered thunderstorms are likely. A low temperature of 57. For tomorrow, rain during the morning and some scattered storms will begin to taper off during the mid-morning and midday hours. By the afternoon, just a chance of a shower. A high temperature of 66. For Wednesday, it's looking like there's the chance of some scattered showers during the afternoon. Otherwise, a mix of clouds and sun, a high of 64. For Thursday, plenty of dry time, a high around 60, though. And then for Friday, Victoria, mostly sunny, temperatures in the mid-60s. So Friday's looking like a beautiful day.
That's all that matters these days, right?
It's going to be soggy out there, especially overnight tonight and early tomorrow morning.
All right. Thank you, Amelia.